Okay, so what up guys? So Steve again. So nag-try ako nag-use traditional method. So or I'll be using a traditional method which is gonna be bamboo pole and line with floater and hook. So uning hook na gamitan ta. So try ta mamunit if makaulit ta biskan sa kabilog lang. So this is gonna be a creek fishing. So we're somewhere in Saraga. Okay, so let's try to use traditional fishing. Okay, so ayang tusbong susunod. So magkait tagamit lang. By the way, ang paon natin is ang bait na gagamitin natin is gonna be lago or worms, earthworms. Kahit tama mo using earthworms. Ako nagawa. By the way, this is gonna be an afternoon fishing, and we're using just cell phone. Medyo gaulan-ulan subong. So let's try it. Okay, so other day. So and let's try this. Okay. As you can see guys, so this is gonna be just traditional fishing agad. Bamboo line or bamboo pole, nylon, kag, hook, then with a floater para mabalaan natin kung if may mahulik na. Alright? Okay, stay tuned. Guys, catch. Tuyo. Nice one. So hi again guys. So we tried traditional fishing using the bamboo pole and hook and line with the floater. So seems to have that we reach or we already caught one, and I can prove that this is effective diri sa probinsya nga part sang Iloilo. So stay tuned guys for my next videos, and please click subscribe if wala pa mo ka-subscribe sa akong channel or sa among channel, and hope to see you guys soon. Bye for now.